Hey guys, it is Ethan on our first episode of Cooking Like a Chef. Today I'm going to be making pizza from scratch. I've got these items from the store. Okay, and these are my items that I like to use: pepperoni, cheese, olives, and ham. And first, you always must do the sauce. So watch me as I do the sauce. Hello guys, I have just finished red saucing the pizza. And now for the cheese. You must do this very, very carefully. You should not grab all of it full-handed and splat it. You must pinch it and sprinkle. Or you could sort of get a little bit more and sprinkle. If you're doing this, you're like a perfectionist or some mind reader or something. So you must sprinkle in every red sauce area, even the middle. And don't try and spill, but as you see, I've really spilled. I'm not a perfectionist. I didn't never say I was a perfectionist. And it's almost done, and you must sprinkle it carefully like a chef. And now that is the second step. But you need more cheese because you need to have every red spot. And that is cheese if ick. Guys, we've continued and now we're done with the cheese. Now we're on the pepperoni. This is very easy. It could be done by anyone, but it cannot be done by a baby. You must circle it. Since you have 6, you have to make use of it like this. I love doing this shape because it reminds me of something. Pepperoni! Perfecte! And now we are going to flatten it out. So you don't want it to be like this. When it's flat, you don't want it to be like that. So flatten it out. And then you are going to have to put the ham next. You must grab it. Not all, just a little bit. Sprinkle it on. Sprinkle everywhere. Now, I'm not a perfectionist, just like I said. You might want to do a different thing or something else. Okay guys, this is the final step of the putting on the pizza. Olives, my favorite. So all you have to do is sprinkle everywhere. Get it? Olive you have to do. You don't get it, then that's fine. It's just, I'm not really a good joke teller or anything. I only like joking around when it's excellent. Guys, this is the second to final step, but this is pretty hard for children. I suspect you should have a parent nearby, but as you said, my dad taught me, so let's do this. Now we gotta put this bad boy in the oven. Now, you might think it's dangerous, it could burn you, but it's actually going to hurt you a lot. It does not burn. It just hurts you a lot. I don't want to say burn. Okay. Now, this bad boy's in the oven. Okay, huh? Okay, the pizza, we got the pizza out of the oven. We cooked it for 10 minutes. And it looks delicious, doesn't it? And now, after this, once it cools down, we will go take the big plate thingy, put it down, cut it up, serve it. And we will do and we will start tasting it. Hey guys, once again, we've plated it on a cutting board and we have cut it up. Pretty good for a kid, right? And I like to put a little Parmesan cheese. Okay? Pretty good, right? I mean, Who doesn't like a kid's pizza? Do you think that's enough? Yep, pretty enough. And now, look at that. Now, always what a chef does before they serve it. Test, eat it. Let's see. Let's see here. Wow. This is pretty good. Oh, wow. Especially for a kid. I like the ham texture. It brings it together. And then the pepperoni kind of little spices, it spices it up. Then the olives cool it down. And the ham kind of puts it together. It all turns into one pretty good masterpiece. It was really good. Don't you think? I hope you love learning about my cooking like a chef. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.